Every single day, I'm gonna make something great.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope your day has been going very positive and productive. It's an early morning for me, so excuse the puffiness in my face because it is 5:35 my time, a.m. So I'm getting ready to start my semi rehash, because it won't be the complete rehash for my bathroom, but I'm going to start it because I'm trying to actually finish up my fall touches on my bathroom. So you guys, but before we get into the rehash, if you're not a family member, would you please hit that subscribe button? Make sure you double tap that post notification bell so you can be notified every single time that I do upload a video. All right, everyone, and to my previously subscriber that's returning, thank you for your continued love and support. All right, let's get into this rehash. Well, so what I'm doing here, like I said, is a semi rehash, and I have the old the medicine cabinet with the mirror that's been in here, so I'm going to take it out. And also, like my lighting fixtures, we changed that out, I want to say maybe 2 years ago, which I'm still not, now I'm not loving it like I did when I first done it. So we're going to rehash that too once we do the floors, because we're going to actually take the floor out, reinforce the floors, and deal with some issues with that. All right, enough talking. Let you see what we're getting ready to do. If there's something that interests you, just keep on watching. Everyone, the medicine cabinet here is what's coming out, and I'm gonna change out still some of the decor in here, because I'm going to really florize my bathroom completely the way I want it as of today. I've been playing with it because I told you this is the first room I started with, because normally I'm not your fall type of girl. What I'm doing is I'm adding in the mirror here, and because of my positioning, and I need it to sit this away, we're just gonna, so I have the wire here, I'm going to mount me a bracket on it here, so when I hang it, I'm gonna position this evenly in here. Things I do when I'm adding brackets, because I like to add like hanging brackets, and this is the one I normally use because this is actually a 200-pound bracket. And if you're going to add brackets on your pictures and anything, you got to make sure you get the right weight limit. I do 200 pounds as a rule of thumb, so I know no matter what I put up, I don't worry about it coming down or anything. And this picture may be 5 pounds, but because I buy these mostly, and these alone, it will suffice. But what I do is I pulled the paper off where they have the clamps where you can turn this mirror either way. So I would take all of these off, and this is the original, the way I'm gonna hang it, but because of the hole, I don't need this mounted here. I actually need my mount in this part of the picture frame, the mirror here. So I'm gonna just take all of these off, and all I do is I just go around, and I probably need my glasses on this morning. And all I do is screw them out. Now all of these, when I do take them out, you guys, I got a thing that I do keep these in, and I will hold on to them. So I have that one out. I'm going to take these out. That one was already loose. So we're going to take this one out. And I'm going to just take all 4 of them out so I can mount my hanging bracket. And like I said again, this piece I will keep. I can use it on another picture, need be, or if I want to come back. And most of the time, once I put brackets on a picture, I don't go back to these. All right, I have that out. And normally, you guys, the bracket here is 2.5 inches wide. Measure my mirror. It's 28 inches in width. So if I got 28 to center this, because I'm going to let you see here. On here, you see on this bracket, I have these 2 dots. I always center this dead center of what I'm hanging. So if I got 28 and this is 2.5, to get this dead center, I need this at 13.5. I'm sorry, 13.75. So that'll give me dead center. 13.75 will give me dead center. 14. I'll position this between 13 and 15. And this is where I'll mount it. And what I'm doing is, when I flip it over, where you see the trim at on the picture, you got the flat part of the mirror. I'm going to start this, and once I flip it over, you'll actually begin to see. And I didn't bring out, normally I have my marker so I can actually mark it, but I just smashed it with the, now we're going to go from taking out to putting in. Come on, don't. I had to hurry up and knock that in. No. And you see, guys, how tight my bracket is. So when I get ready, see, I took off here, 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 and over there. I took off all of the clips, so we'll only have this one. So once I hang it, I'll just measure where I'll still center my nail. And normally when I hang these, you guys, I like to use screws anyway, because a few years ago I come away from the nails, and I found that when you use the screws or you use the screw fasteners with them, when your pieces are real heavy, I never ever worry about a piece moving, coming down, falling, or anything. But I typically like to use the, and I always, when you're doing your pictures, make sure the screws are flat headed. And I play with it to make sure my screw is going to be legit in there. And I always try to go like, this is almost a perfect fit, so I'll go up a size, because I want And I'll show you to see if I can show you my small bathroom. How do I hang it to give me the best fit possible? Because like if you see me take pictures off with mouse, you'll see I pull them all the way up, as opposed to once you get the picture up, you have to lift it up to get it out of the base of the mount. Sorry everyone, I know this is not the best lighting, but I have marked where I need to actually hang my screw. And when I'm doing this, I always start with a nail. Well, make sure your nail is actually smaller than the screw itself, so you don't put a humongous hole in there. And normally all I do is I nail it in enough for the length of the screw, and I just back it out, and that's all I do, because the nail was smaller than the screw, which means once you start your screw in, it don't actually have to cut all the way through, because it's got an opening. It's just chiseling out what it need on the edges of the screw. So we have that in. Let me move my ladder. And because the way I hang it, I need to just back my nail out just a tiny bit. And what we're doing is I'm just going to clip that fastener onto that screw, which may require me to remove the camera on out, because I have my stand here. But let me get my ladder. The mirror up, and she's looking like that. It took some maneuvering, guys, and I was trying to film it, but no matter where I put the camera to get it up, I didn't want my rear end dead in front of the camera. So, but we have it up, and that's what she's looking like. And the next time you see my bathroom, with the exception of, because we're redoing the sink and taking out the floor, but with the exception of the sink and the floor, my bathroom will be my completed fall look. So some of the things you have seen and see now will no longer be when we come back with this bathroom fall revamped, partially revamped update. All right, everyone. And again, if you enjoyed this video of watching me take it down and hang this mirror up, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Please leave me a comment down in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think, and just leave me some ideas, you guys, of a couple DIYs or things you would like to see me try out in my home. And I'm also doing a series which you'll start to see that my husband was like, how can you update or change out the house without always buying new things? So if you notice in some of the rooms, you'll just see me shopping my home, switching stuff from one spot to another. That's why spray paint is your friend. But you'll see those series coming as well. All right, everyone. And I could not go without saying always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see you in another upcoming video. Bye, everyone.
I'm gonna